How to unfollow everyone on TikTok at once. This tutorial shows you how to bulk remove multiple accounts using TikTok's official Manage feature. First, open the TikTok app on your device. After that, tap on Profile at the bottom right. From there, tap on Following near the top of your profile. At this point, tap on Manage. In the next step, you'll see checkboxes appear next to each account you're following. Following this, tap on the accounts you want to unfollow, or tap Select All if you want to unfollow everyone at once. Once done, tap Unfollow once you've made your selections. From here, a confirmation message may pop up asking if you're sure. At this stage, tap Confirm to complete the process. Keep in mind, TikTok limits how many accounts can be unfollowed within a short period, so if you're removing a large number, you may need to repeat this in batches. Finally, exit back to your profile once you've confirmed your following list has been cleared. And that's it. If this guide helped you unfollow everyone on TikTok at once, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you on the next one.